Hi everyone, I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today it's actually my birthday. I'm going to be celebrating my 30th birthday today, the 27th of May. So today's video is just going to be a vlog of me celebrating my birthday, and then I'm going to be celebrating the birthday with my daughter. I'm not going to do much. I'm just going to go to Wimpy for breakfast and then go get a photo shoot with my daughter, and then after that we're going to go to East London to the beach because she's been wanting to see the beach. So I'm just going to take her there and we're going to get ice cream and take pictures if possible. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So right now I am on my way to Wimpy for the breakfast, so I'll see you there.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when